Hi everyone, I'm Gurleen from BCom 1B. The yoga pose or asana I'm going to perform is Bhujang Asana. Bhujang Asana is a gentle back bend practice from a face down position that warms and strengthens the spine while opening the chest. Within the spiritual practice of yoga, traditional texts state that practicing Bhujang Asana can eradicate disease, increase overall heat in the body, and awaken Kundalini, a divine energy that is thought to be located at the base of the spine, and bring about self realization. Bhujangasana is also thought to open multiple chakras within the body, including the heart and the throat chakras.
Hello everyone, my name is Amanpreet Kaur from BCom First Year Section A. On occasion of International Yoga Day, I am performing Dhanurasana. It stretches the entire body. It helps in weight loss and boost digestion and blood circulation. Thank you.
Hey everyone, now I'm going to perform Vakra Asana. The word Vakra means twisted in Sanskrit. This asana is called Vakra Asana or twisted asana because the spine is twisted in practicing this asana. Benefit of this asana is it reduces belly fat, strengthens our kidney and reduces shoulder and back pain. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Harleen Kaur from class BCom 1B. So highlighting this International Yoga Day, today I'm going to perform Bhujang Asana. Bhujang Asana helps in curing cold and other bronchial problems. It improves the abdominal, shaping kyphosis and obesity. Bhujang Asana aids kidney and liver functions and it helps neck and spine gain in flexibility and strength. Thank you.
On the occasion of International Yoga Day, I am performing Trikona Asana. Benefits of the pose are increases balance and stability, stretches and lengthens the spine, opens the hips and shoulder, stimulates your organs, reduces stress. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Arsha from BCom 1 Section A. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, today I'm going to perform Nataraj Asana. It helps to increase flexibility in your spine.
Today I'm gonna perform Gomukh Asana. The procedure of it is sit and extend your legs forward, bend the right leg at the knee and bring the right foot to the left side and place it close to the buttock. Same is the procedure with left leg. Then take the left arm over the left shoulder and right arm behind the back. Hook the fingers of both hands at the back. Sit in this position comfortably for 10 to 15 seconds.